Hey! We have another tutorial for you. Today, we will learn how to enable Wonder's Smart Exchange feature along with incentivization to convert more exchanges. This feature allows you to retain the customer, increase the LTV of the customer, and save the refund amount. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is click on the Settings tab on your Return Prime dashboard. Next, click on the Policies option. Here, when you scroll down, you will find a feature named Enable Wonder's Smart Exchange. Enable this by clicking on the checkbox. You will get 3 options once you enable it. The first option is Do Not Offer Any Incentive. If this is selected, then Wonder will try to influence the customer to opt for an exchange without any incentives. The second option is Give a Fixed Amount Discount for instant purchase. Here you can define the maximum discount you want to offer to the customer. The third option is Give a percent of cart value, discount for instant purchase. Here you can define a percentage-based discount to the customer. These will be applied instantly if the customer opts for exchange instead of return. You can save the settings after selecting the preferred option from these 3 options. Now let's see this in action on the customer end. After starting the return journey, the customer will see the first prompt while selecting the reason. If he chooses to continue with the return journey, Wonder will show another prompt to opt for exchange. He will see the third prompt while selecting the refund mode, and the final discount prompt will be displayed at the time of submitting the return request. This discount will be applied to the new item only if the customer opts for an exchange at the time of submitting the request. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of questions or issues during the process, feel free to drop an email to us at help@returnprime.com or make use of the live chat option available on your Return Prime dashboard, and we promise to ensure everything is up and running for you instantly.